We're under a tornado watch, guys. Yeah, they said we're supposed to get severe storms tonight. I'm just sitting out on the porch watching it. As you can see, that's how much rain we're getting right now on the deck there. So I just seen a little bit of lightning there a few minutes ago. Hold on, I had to come back in here in a minute. But yeah, that's how much. Well, here, let me go over here. There you go. That's how much rain we're getting off the porch. Whoop, the ledges just went off. Alright, come back on. Now we're out again. This could get a little interesting. I guess I ain't gonna be uploading this for a while. Yeah, I just wanted to see what y'all was doing. And well, damn it, I missed. There was a little bit of lightning went through there a while ago. It just shut the power off in the house. It ain't come back on yet. Yeah.
I was outside.
Oh, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just sitting here watching it. There ain't nothing else better to do, so I ain't sitting in the dark. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I like storms. Yeah. I wonder how long this is gonna last. I don't know. Oh, there was a big lightning bolt. Hold on, you'll see it again here in a minute. Oh. I'll probably go on for 6 minutes here and see what else we can see. And with a big freaking lightning bolt to come by, I'm waiting for it to come back. Alright, well, I missed it again, damn it. Oh, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Of course, you can't see nothing because the freaking light went out over there, so I don't know how good this is going to turn out, but there it went. There was something. Yeah, my screen's showing just a real, like a real faint light. I can't see nothing on here until it storms or something, and until a flash of lightning comes, then I can see something. Hopefully we'll catch something here in a minute, because that'd be interesting. There was a lightning bolt. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go on for 6 minutes and 30 seconds, or a total of 7 minutes, and yeah, I gotta watch them. Let's see. Let me see if I can turn you guys around here. And we'll see if we can see something to miss at. Turn my chair off so I don't go off the porch. There we went. There was something. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off at 7 minutes and 30 seconds, I think. I may do a 10-minute video, and I may just run that to 10 minutes so I can give you something, so I can give you all something to watch. My Uncle Five was crazy when my uncle thought I was crazy when I told him I was gonna do this. He said, he looked at me and said, yeah, you're crazy when you're gonna videotape this tornado and it's gonna suck you away. I just looked at him and laughed like I told him he was nuts. Yeah, I told him he was nuts when he told me that. Cause I've always wanted to record a tornado. I don't know why. I just have. I like Mother Nature when it does stuff like this. I'm one of them people that's weird but cool in the same way. I like when interesting stuff happens. If you know what I mean. Yeah. So yeah, that's why I'm sitting down here and seeing what I can see, and so I can show you guys something. There was a flash lightning bolt. I'm trying to get the small directions, but it ain't working. Yeah, I guess the power ain't come back on in the house yet. Must have blew a transformer. Somewhere. I didn't hear no crack when I lived in Tulsa. All I heard was thunderstorms. So nothing popped or nothing. And the line must have just went down somewhere. Ooh, there it was. I missed it. I missed it again. I got that thunderstorm on the YouTube. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for 10 minutes, 13 seconds. I'm down cutting off. Just be safe. I don't know if y'all caught that or not. I've got it pointing over to the opening on the porch. There's a lightning bug over there. I don't know if you see him or not. I think it's a lightning bug. Yeah, I don't know. He's got his where did you go, so like, this has been a hole where I don't see him there now. Oh shit. That was a big oh. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for 10 minutes, 30 seconds. Just to let y'all see something, or 10:40 maybe. Let me tour around here and see if we can see anything out this side. Yeah, I know it's hard to film because you ain't got no light, but at least y'all can still hear me. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off here in a little bit, guys. I think I'll just run it to 12 minutes here. There was a little bit. I'll see if I can catch it this time. There we go. Now I'm gonna shut it off. Here, I'll hold it here and see if we can see something. Yeah, I don't know how long these severe storms are gonna last. Hopefully it's just rain and the tornado passes. It passes, yeah. What doing here, Tillis? What doing here, buddy? Hey, buddy, what you doing, buddy? Yeah, hopefully the storm passes. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is gonna make an interesting video. There was a thing I missed it again. It's pretty cool. I'll hold out this one. It's light to fill up gray here in a minute. It looks cool. It looks cool when it does it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it off at 13:30 or something like that. I'll probably stay out here longer, but since there ain't nothing to watch around the house. Good electric off, but hopefully pick up another lightning thing for there it is. That's cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off here and go in the house and see what they're doing, I guess. Oh, I may come out here because it's boring. It'd be boring in the house, but there's another no. Alright guys, I'm gonna get off here and y'all have a safe night y'all have a safe night and be safe and take cover, Bandit, cause it's coming your way. I don't know if it's already there or not. I think it's done went through your place, but alright, guys, I'm gonna get off here. Please comment, rate, and subscribe for more. And if I make it through this, and I'll catch you on the next one, which I'm sure it will, cause this place ain't going nowhere. Cause the deck's bolted down to the side of the house, and we got another deck on the other side. Right there. Alright guys, yeah. please comment, rate, and subscribe for more. And I hope this is interesting. I know it was for me, and I kind of had fun videotaping it. Oh, so yeah, I'm gonna see what everybody else is doing. I'll catch you on the next one. Talk to you later. Bye, guys. Be careful. I'll catch you on the next one. Comment, rate, and subscribe for more, and share my videos. And let's see if we can get me to 1,000 subscribers by Christmas. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. Alright guys, I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye. Catch you later.